All right, news coming in from the Delhi airport where the chaos and pandemonium continues as many passengers have been waiting for long hours at the Delhi airport. In fact, passengers have also taken to social media and shared pictures of the crowd at T3 of the Indira Gandhi International Airport, in response to which Jyotiraditya Scindia, the Civil Aviation Minister, has taken stock of the situation and is currently at the airport to take stock and take cognizance of the situation. So those are the first visuals also coming in right now of Scindia there at the airport since 8:30 a.m. We have Harsha reporting live from the Delhi airport. Harsha, what is the situation looking like, and since how long have these passengers been waiting in those queues?
Departure point and right at the T3 departure point, and right to the several passengers who had their flight to board at 2 o'clock and 3 o'clock, and they have reported right now only, and we can show you the visuals of several passengers who are traveling domestic and international. They have arrived here at airport at 10 o'clock, 9:30 only, because of the lot of congestion inside the airport, because of the traffic inside the airport, because of the long queue at the security checkings, at the immigration checkpoints, and at the boarding gates. Before the boarding gates, there's a long queue as well. And Jyotiraditya Scindia came here at 8:30 a.m. at T3 departure. He came at this point and went inside airport through gate number 8, and we are getting to know that he is still inside airport talking to the CISF personnel, talking to the airport authority operators, people how they can manage. But Samiksha, I would like to show you these two gates, gate number 1 and gate number 2, which has been dedicated to Digi Yatra passengers, the passengers who have registered themselves and Digi Yatra. The Aviation Ministry have come up with this new app that if you register yourself in this Digi Yatra app, you can go and you don't have to wait in a long queue at the security check-in point. But if we talk about other gates, gate number 3, gate number 4, gate number 6, gate number 8, there are long queue. As you can see, my camera person Manish showing you the visuals of the congestion and the huge wait at the T3 departure. There are several check-in points and the passengers are in aisle. We have been seeing the videos on social media where passengers have been posting the videos of inside the departure gate, inside the international airport, and how much the problems they are facing. There's a trouble, and to take a stock of those situations only, Civil Aviation Minister Jyotiraditya Scindia has come. He was on a surprise visit today morning. Therefore, he came at 8 o'clock at the airport, went inside, and it's been more than 1.5 hours. He is still inside the airport, and we're expecting that when he comes outside, what will he speak to media and what will he speak to people? And do you know there are several passengers. Sir, आपको कहाँ travel करना है?
सॉरी, मैं किसी को छोड़ने आया था। हाँ, तो
आपने वीडियोस देखे होंगे, बहुत प्रॉब्लम है, बहुत दिक्कतें, अंदर ट्रैफिक बहुत ज़्यादा है, लंबी लाइनें हैं। कोई प्रॉब्लम आपके जो अंदर गए उन्होंने बताई?
हाँ, ये तो है कि हमें बिफोर आना पड़ता है 1 to 2 hours बिफोर फ्लाइट, वो थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम है आई थिंक।
So there are several passengers. Will try to speak to many more because continuously passengers are arriving here as we see the long queue. And Samiksha, these are the visuals we have been seeing 2 to 3 weeks continuously here at International Airport. It's the holiday season, and there are many other reasons as well because of the congestion at Delhi Airport. There's an airport expansion which is taking place. There's many flights which have been diverted from T1 to T3. And as you see, many passengers are here waiting. They have come before hour of their flight timing. We'll try to speak to one of them. Ma'am, आप कहाँ travel कर रहे हैं?
मैम चढ़ाना है एसी जी।
सर, आपको मैसेज आया एयरलाइन से कि जल्दी आ जाइएगा, या फिर आपने इन दिनों बहुत दिक्कतें भी हो रही हैं, लंबी कतारें भी हैं अंदर एयरपोर्ट के, कोई ऐसी खबर?
मैसेज तो नहीं आया मैडम, पहले 5 घंटे पहले बुलाया था उन्होंने।
5 घंटे मैसेज आया था कि 5 घंटे पहले आइए।
हाँ जी।
तो सर, आप ये समझ पा रहे हैं कि इस वजह से हो रहा है क्योंकि अंदर कतार बहुत लंबी है, यात्री बहुत ज़्यादा है, समस्याएं आ रही हैं?
क्या पता मैडम, अब यात्री तो बहुत ज़्यादा हैं जी।
लेकिन आप 5 घंटे पहले आ गए।
यस मैम।
और अंदर चेक इन, सिक्योरिटी चेक इन कितने बजे करेंगे?
अंदर चले गए हैं जी। हाँ जी, चले गए।
So these are the people who have came with the people who have went abroad, and they already stated that there was a message from airlines to come 5 hours before their flight timings. There are many others as well. Sir, आप कहाँ travel कर रहे हैं?
मैंने ये बेटी जा रहा है जर्मनी।
बेटी
हो गई।
अच्छा, अंदर चली गई।
जस्ट।
तो कितना घंटा बेटी को पहले लेकर के आए?
4 घंटा, 4 hours।
तो लगता है कि अंदर इतना ज़्यादा भीड़ हो गया है, इसीलिए बेटी को पहले आना पड़ा 4 घंटा।
नहीं, एक्चुअली इंटरनेशनल फ्लाइट में इमिग्रेशन में कितना टाइम लगेगा पता नहीं ना। इमिग्रेशन में कुछ श्योर नहीं है,
लेकिन समय लग जाता है।
समय लग जाता है, लेकिन अभी जस्ट 11 अभी देख रहा है कि आपका 1:50 मिनट फ्लाइट है, तो
So he got his daughter 4 hours before at international airport because of the congestion at the immigration check-in point. Because if you have to go to international anyway in abroad, there's a immigration point, checkpoint, and there's a lot of long queue because of which passengers are facing problem. I'll show you the visuals over there as well. As you can see, there are many standing waiting for their check-in time because it have been stated that you have to come if your flight is at 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock. You have to come 4-5 hours before. सर एक सवाल ले सकती हूँ सर, आप कहाँ जा रहे हैं?
मैं अभी गेस्ट को पिक करने के लिए आया।
गेस्ट को पिक करने आए, तो बताया कितनी देर में निकल पाएंगे? भीड़ इतनी ज़्यादा है यहाँ पर?
नहीं अप्रोक्स कम से कम जो टाइमिंग होता है वो 3-4 घंटे लग जाता है।
ऐसी आज समस्याएं लोग आपको बता रहे हैं अंदर वाले जो अंदर गए हैं कि कितना भीड़ है अंदर?
भीड़ काफ़ी है अंदर, बता रहे हैं कि काफ़ी भीड़ है उधर से इमिग्रेशन में और हर चीज़ में टाइम लगता है निकलते वक्त।
सर, एक यात्री को कितनी समस्या आती है? हर पॉइंट पे इतनी ज़्यादा लाइनें लगी हैं। आपको लगता है कि मिनिस्ट्री को कुछ करना चाहिए, एविएशन विभाग को कुछ करना चाहिए?
मैम बिल्कुल करना चाहिए, क्योंकि काफ़ी दिक्कतें यात्रियों को सहन करनी पड़ती है, क्योंकि निकलते नहीं काफ़ी समय हो जाता है, तो क्लाइंट जो भी होता है, गेस्ट होता है, वो काफ़ी awkward फील करता है इन चीज़ों से।
So these are the problems that passengers have been facing. As we see, there are people everywhere here at T3 departure. Who have come 4 to 5 hours before their flight timings, and as airport is expanding.